my name is Shaynenzy, and it has been forever and a half since I've made a YouTube video. You guys, I am so excited to be back filming. So let's go ahead and get into this foundation review. I've been requested to do this foundation a lot. This is the Huda Beauty, I think, Faux Filter Foundation. I've had this, I've owned it for quite a long time. I just haven't had a chance to sit down and film the video for you guys. So let's go ahead and see if this foundation can cover my acne. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, what is going on? It's gonna be kind of crazy me getting back. I have a new lens, by the way. You guys, I'm so happy to be filming. Like, I can't even tell you guys how excited I am. So first, before we get started, I have some stuff that was sent to me from Sigma. Sigma Beauty, you guys. They reached out to me and they wanted me to use some of their products in a video, so why not do it in a foundation video, because you know their brushes be bomb. I remember these were I got this like travel brush set. Who remembers this? It was like a winter bunny like travel set or something. But they sent everything to me in this little bag here with a note. I'm so excited about it, you guys. So what they said Shaynenzy, enjoy your Sigma goodies. Can't wait for you to try them out. Would love to hear what you think. I thought that was awesome. So they sent over, I'll show you guys just really quick here what they sent over. So they sent over the Sigma brush cleaning mat, which I've heard so much about, so I'm really excited to try that out. They sent over this blush, which I've been using like crazy. You guys can see that. This is in the color Corderosa. So pretty, so I'm going to be using that. I've been using this already. Some other makeup here. A shimmer cream little base. So brilliant shimmer cream base situation. We've got an eyeshadow base primer, a liquid eyeliner, and some mascara. I have eyelash extensions on. I need to get them filled really bad, so I can't use those things because, if you guys know, if you have eyelash extensions, you can't use certain products. They also sent me the Sigma brush shampoo, which I've heard really great things about, so I'll try that out as well. And then, you guys, the main event, they sent me 3 of their brushes. The famous Sigma F80. I was talking to the lady and I said, oh my gosh, I've heard so many good things about it and I really want to try it out. So we're going to be using this today. The E38 diffused crease brush, and then an accent highlighter brush, which kind of like fits, it looks like in the curvature of your cheek. So I'm not really sure exactly how to use that, if it's for cream, highlighting the face and cheekbones. Curved head that fits on top of the cheekbone. Oh, use with cream or powder products to highlight the cheekbone. Okay. And then we'll also be using, which I've heard good things about, the 3D HD blender. So their version of like the Beauty Blender or the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, whatever. So I am so excited to try these things out. So this was a very long introduction. I apologize. So let's go ahead and try out the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I'll go ahead and put some little thingies, little things, how many shades it comes in, all that jazz. And I got mine in the color Panna Cotta 130G. Guys, what do you think of the summer right now? It is insanely hot, like insane. If you guys don't know, I film for a living, actually. So I do like social media and stuff for a living. And I've been outside. I'm outside constantly. It's been absolutely deathly. This thing is, I gotta remember. I can't. Okay. So here's the sponge. It's beautiful and it's got these nice flat edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and got the sponge wet, and when I was getting it wet, I noticed that like it kind of comes back slow. You see that? Like has a little bit of a stiffness to it, so this will be really interesting to try out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the F80. So here is the famous Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush, so soft. Got nice, dense bristles, so I'm really, really excited. To try this out. Hopefully it works out. Does anybody else have eyelash extensions? Like I said, I've lost a lot of mine, so it doesn't even look like I have any on. I need to get them filled, but what do you guys think? It's like a love-hate relationship. It's like a love-hate thing. I don't know. So anyway, like you guys know, I love to prime my eyelids, and right now I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow base. I've been trying every type of primer under the sun because, like I said, I film for a living, and I've literally just been sweating my makeup off. Like nothing lasts. It doesn't matter what I use. So I'm gonna go ahead. So excited to try this out. Oh, well, that is thick. So one side with the brush, one side with the sponge. We'll see how it goes. Just kind of dip it in here. Oh my goodness. Dang, this is full coverage. Hopefully it's not too yellow for me, but I definitely smell like a fragrance to it. This might be a little too light. Bring it down the neck. This might be a little too light for me, but a little bit goes a long way. And I have like just a natural tan anyway, just from being outside so much. I am noticing that once it sets, like it's sets, so you're gonna have to work pretty quick. I look like a ghost. Well, we know that covers really, really well. Wow, that covered really well. Jeez. And you guys know I like to bring down the brightness just a little bit so you guys can see. So now let's try the sponge side here. I don't know if I should do the best way to do this. Gotta grab the product. The sponge has almost like a rubber ball texture to it, it feels like. If that makes any sense. I look like a ghost. Alright, so there's the sponge side. Looking pretty good. Just gonna kinda. But wow, you guys, this looks really good. And it doesn't feel, it looks like I have a lot on, but it does not feel heavy whatsoever. Like seriously. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna give you guys a little, I got this palette. Been using this. If you guys want a tutorial on this or like a video about this, leave it in the comment section below. Awesome job, Manny. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and set the foundation all over with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and then under my eyes, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. But I did notice that, oh here it's on this side, that, oh no, this side. This foundation does not settle well on dry patches. I have this huge zit situation right here, and it's pretty crusty because it's kind of like drying up, and the foundation does not sit too well on that. So if you have dry skin, I don't think, if you have dry patches, this definitely would emphasize that. So yeah, just wanted to let you know. And I went ahead and did like my bronzer and stuff. It totally looks like I have a line, but I really don't. I promise. Still kind of figuring out the settings and stuff because I haven't filmed in like ages. Oh, my battery's about to die. So I wanted to go ahead and put on the blush with the new accent highlighter. This blush, oops, is so pretty. At least that's what I hope it is. It's an aura powder, but I don't know. I guess we'll just... Oh dear. This is too dense for blush, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use it with my Zoeva 105 highlight. I look like a clown. It's not like that in person at all. I promise. And then I'll use the Ofra highlighting powder in Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut. Like, you barely need any. That's insane. At all. Set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I got this at Ulta, and the mist on this is amazing, you guys. Like, it's insane. And it has a floral scent to it, so I'm not a huge fan of that. It smells really good, but I just don't know if it's breaking me out or not. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Huda Beauty Liquid Lip in Bombshell. Alright, so there's the finished makeup application. Like I said, I look kind of crazy. I look a little much with this lighting and everything. But the current time is 2:23, and I'll check in throughout the day to let you guys know how this is wearing and everything. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'll show you guys what it looks like out in the sunlight as well, and if it oxidizes or anything like that. But it is a little too pale for me. So thank you guys. Let's see how this foundation wears. It is hot.
That's pretty. Oh, I got it. I got it.
I wanted to film what the foundation looked like outside. It's been a couple of hours, so hopefully you can see what it looks like. It's breaking up a little bit on my chin and my nose. A lot, but it looks like pretty decent on the sides of my face. So, the time is 10:46. So I've had this foundation on for about 8 hours, right? 2:23? Oh no, over 8 hours actually. So far, it actually looks pretty decent, actually. It just separated around my nose, a little bit on my forehead and my chin area, but that's where foundation always separates on my face. That's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. This foundation is bomb.com. Full coverage. You can get it at Sephora and hudabeauty.com. I'm sure they have a website as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any recommendations for any foundations that you guys want me to try in the comment section below. The next foundation I'm going to be trying out is the Urban Decay All Nighter foundation. I got this at Ulta, so I'm going to be trying that out next. Let me know what other foundations you guys want me to try, like the ColourPop one. There's a ColourPop foundation. I can't remember what that one's called, like the No Filter foundation or something like that. There's that one, some other ones. Yeah, so just let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys want like a skincare routine or anything, or what I'm doing for my skin right now, because my acne has gotten a lot better, if you guys could see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Bye!